Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to search rentals on Zillow in 2026. If you're trying to find a place to rent quickly without wasting time, this will guide you step by step. Yeah, so let's get started. First, open Zillow on your browser or mobile app. Once it loads, you'll see options for buying, renting, and selling. Now click on the rent section. This is important because it switches Zillow into rental mode instead of home buying listings. Next, go to the search bar and type the location you want. It can be a city, neighborhood, or even a specific area if you already have one in mind. After that, hit search and wait for the rental listings to load. You'll now see a map and a list of available rental properties. Now you can start refining your search. Use filters to set your budget, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and property type like apartment, house, or condo. You can also choose extra preferences like pet-friendly rentals, furnished options, or parking availability depending on what you need. Yeah, these filters really help narrow things down fast. Once everything is set, Zillow will automatically update the results and show only rentals that match your preferences. You can click on any listing to view photos, rent details, availability, and contact options for the landlord or agent. And that's it. Now you know how to search rentals on Zillow in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.